out here in the Bacon Fest. What up? What up? Oh, okay. Cupcakes. What's going on, everybody? We're back up in this. It's your boy Pentley Holmes. I'm a singer-songwriter in pursuit of a wild dream. Today we got my good friend Joey Ryan Gorniak on the ones and two with the camera B. Just remember, keep your hand below there. Yeah, hold up, you got it. I'm sorry. I'm a control freak. Sorry, Joe. Joe knows already, but we're going to Baconfest and we're about to play some tunes. Joe's gonna man the camera for me today. We got a car out here, bro. So it's right here. And Joe, how are you feeling today, man?
I'm great. Having a great day.
Are you gonna eat some bacon? I'm not eating no bacon, you guys know that. But I'm playing some music on the Farm to Fest stage today, and I'm looking forward to it. It's a little bit chilly out here, but hope we still have a good time. We'll see you in just a second.
If it's the School of Rock, I mean. You want to get a picture of us?
This whole crowd just to get to the stage, and people eating bacon everywhere. Oops, sorry.
Working hard.
Yeah, right before the pandemic. Will you play too? Yeah.
Now, there's a lot of sponsors to thank, a lot of other things to talk about. We're gonna start this show first, take a little break in between, we'll take care of business, and then we'll get back for the rest of it, okay? So it is my honor to welcome to the stage the following man, a rare artist whose work achieves both technical and emotional brilliance. I've heard a lot about him. I've not heard him myself, but there's a buzz on the street about him. He's self-taught guitarist and vocalist, well-rounded musically. He has a background in creative writing. I am looking forward to this, and I'm sure you will love him. His name is Pentley Holmes. Please help me welcome him to the stage.
Thank you. Right on. Yep. I'm gonna start with the original tune. The name of this song is called Betty. Gotta keep these fingers warm out here. Walking around with her high heels on, her makeup pretty doll, you ain't got a clue. I'll let you walk on, Mom, I won't do you no harm. Slow down and I can tell you what he's doing. 'Cause you ain't got a clue. The pretty boy playing a tune. Got a clue what the pretty boy plan to do. Can't cook your food in the kitchen, and all you're gonna do is leave your dishes in my sink. I can't even tell you what you're missing, and you think you know it all. You're heading off to school. That his money ain't nothing but a tool. You think your cigarettes are cool. So go ahead, baby, smoke until they're all gone. Friends tell you what to do, but how about even friends at all? All right, let's dip.
It was okay.
And we can take it to the van.
You had to what now? I had to work like a little bit later than we wanted. You sounded great, guys.
Thank you. It was a blast. We had a blast.
It was a lot of fun.
I had a blast. Joe said it was a lot of fun.
You got a gig out of the deal.
Did I?
Oh, if they call you, hopefully.
Well,
That's why I asked
happened,
you for a
actually?
card.
Yeah, but what happened? Who were you talking? I didn't even see you were talking to.
That old lady came up to me and she was like, "He's really good. I'd like to have him play at, does he have a card?" And I was like, "I don't know if he's got a card on him right now. But his name's Pentley and I could get you his number. Are you gonna hang out to the end of the set?" That's what I asked her. And she said, "Yeah," but then she didn't. She was like,
They never do. You know what? I think that's like a thing.
"You gotta get like a card."
I have one. I just don't.
Bring it. Yeah.
When you put them on stage like that, they'll like blow away. And then I think that's like a thing. Like people are in the moment and they're like.
Anyway, she has a Great Meadows or something in Forks.
Oh, I know where that is.
All right, so she owns that place, and she said she's gonna call you and give you a gig.
Right here. Just putting this stuff away and then like. This is actually Joe's first time seeing the van.
I'm super excited. This van is very inspirational.
Oh. And turn this on.
This parking lot was once a hotel.
What?
This parking lot was once a hotel. Before that, it was a neighborhood, I think.
Yeah.
Here's the inside of the van.
Well, that other parking lot was once a movie theater.
Yep.
I saw the Titanic there. Now it's fucking gone.
That Perkins was one of the. I tell people
yeah,
like,
the Perkins.
you know, and you could smoke. It was one of those, you know, there was a smoking section and a non-smoking section, but yet it was still inside. Miss those days.
Whoa. There's the van, man.
I'm over here. Bang box. Sell it? Uh-oh.
It's a big piece of bacon.
There's also a little bit of drill on this one. There's some differences.
Yeah, and this one they're about to get it popping. So we're hanging out here at Joey's art studio. It's post Baconfest, and you guys might have seen this place in a couple other videos. I'm not sure actually. We're gonna take a look around real quick. He's working on a piece outside that looks really cool actually, and yeah, we're gonna go see what he's working on. But I wanted to check out these cool one here. It's like a little bit of his stuff. Like he makes these cool little paintings. Baconfest isn't over. We're just not there. You can still hear the music from Baconfest though. If you go right over there, one street over, there's like 10 million people in this street. Right over there. She ain't got no booty. But let's see what Joe's working on right here. Oh, this one has like real hair, real like fox hair.
She got ears.